If you've ever worked with freelancers, you know how important it is to handle revision requests effectively. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use freelance tools for revision requests, saving you time and ensuring that your projects stay on track. First, let's talk about why revision requests can be tricky. You need clear communication, and it's crucial that your freelancer understands what you want changed. That's where freelance tools come in. These platforms let you manage revisions easily, keep all your feedback organized, and ensure that nothing gets lost in translation. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you the best tool I found after trying out all the popular ones, and I've got a special offer for you to try it out for free. The first step in managing revisions effectively is using a tool that lets you communicate your feedback directly on the project itself. Whether it's design work, content creation, or any other freelance service, you'll want a platform that allows you to add comments directly to the work. This helps freelancers see exactly what you're referring to, reducing misunderstandings and mistakes. Our software allows you to mark up images, annotate text, or even leave audio comments, making it incredibly simple to show your freelancer exactly what needs revision. This makes it much faster than sending long emails or having a back and forth through multiple platforms. Next, make sure your revision requests are specific. A vague "I don't like this" won't get you the results you want. Instead, point out what you like or don't like about the current version and suggest improvements. Freelance tools can help here by letting you leave comments that can be tied directly to specific sections of the work. This ensures that every change is clearly communicated and nothing slips through the cracks. One feature to look for in the software you use is the ability to track changes and comments. This is especially useful when you're working on a project with multiple revisions. Our software will let you see all the changes and comments in one place, so you don't have to go back through emails or messages to remember what was said. It also allows freelancers to mark revisions as complete, so you'll know exactly what's been updated. When it comes to deadlines, managing revisions can get tricky. Make sure you set clear timelines for how long you expect the revisions to take. With our software, you can set due dates for each stage of the project, so everyone stays on track. Having a timeline will also help you avoid last-minute rush jobs and ensure that revisions are done with enough time for quality checks. And if you ever find yourself needing to request multiple rounds of revisions, don't panic. A good freelance tool will help you organize your requests and prioritize the most important changes first. This will save you from having to sift through multiple threads and ensure that revisions are made in the right order. Now, the tool I recommend after testing several options is the software we'll be using today. It combines all the features I just mentioned: clear communication, easy tracking of changes, and an intuitive interface. The best part? If you want to follow along with this tutorial and try it out yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, when you're using freelance tools for revision requests, make sure to communicate clearly by commenting directly on the work, keep your feedback specific, use software that tracks changes, set deadlines, and prioritize your revision requests. These steps will help you manage revisions smoothly and ensure that the project stays on course. One last reminder, don't forget to grab your free trial of the software in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and streamline your revision process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.